Right there, it goes. Ruby, channel.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's some.
I got that one. Oh, I missed him. Oh, he's gone down.
I got two. Ah!
This.
There's a dead bird right there.
Ruby, here!
There's one there. I shot it.
Hey, Ruby! Over! Over! Oh, I fucking hit that greenhead and he didn't drop, man. Oh.
I shot that Susie over there on my last shot.
Nah, that's not tough.
Well, you called out. I was gonna shoot that one. I'm like, okay.
Well, because there was a bunch on the left there.
Good girl.
Good girl, Ruby. Here.
I didn't think she was gonna go for that one.
Yeah,
good girl.
On the road? Oh, the garage door open and closed. Oh no way. Hang on a second. Hang on. Nice! Woo! Sorry. Ah! Jen? Still there? Okay. Sorry, two ducks just came right in. Oh, Ruby's going for the cripple. She likes the cripple. Yeah. Oh yeah. Cass June! Over! Sorry. Over! Ruby, here! Ruby's gonna drop one and get the other. That's okay. Alright.
Good girls! Take a picture of both of them.
Nice.
Those are the two that picked up in the channel.
Let me get a picture of that. Oh my god! Oh. Two more.
What the fuck's going on?
Here! Good girl! Here!
Good. What the fuck's going on?
Ruby, here! Channel. Good, leave it. Oh, good girl.
Fatty.
Oh, man.
What the fuck, man? These ducks.
These are beauties, these late season fucking birds.
I think they might be right here.
Oh, it looked like it was dumping in right over the point.
Got it.
Way down though. Holy geese. to water swat them next time.
Is that a greenhead?
Oh yeah. Is that him coming back? No, that's a merc. Holy shit. Wow. I rushed my shot there and he was landing right there.
Really?
Oh. I just heard him come around and he came around and went and fucking, I'm like, oh. All I see is green shining head.
There's a lot of ducks over there, man. Like geese. Didn't go. Did it die? Or I fucking smoked it. Oh, that's dead. Fucking smoked that thing.
Banded. Banded Susie. Sit. Hey! Sit! Ruby. Sit! Good. Sit.
Yeah, baby, let's go. Two more. Wait. That one's upside down though. I thought they had this one. They're on the right.
Sit. Hey! Sit. Ruby.
A lot of stuff. I think it's better like right now.
Yeah.
All the birds are coming back and feeding or something. There's more ducks out to the right. Nice. Fuck, I was shouldering right on that almost. Fuck, I thought that it dove. Like, I didn't see it for another dozen ducks. Two of them.
Good girl. Good girl.
That's a big speed too, man. Big. Oh, that sweetie bird.
Swear, man, if we get a chance of fucking getting one of the mallards, we'll just leave the fucking birds on the island. Here, kennel. Kennel. Good girl. Heel. Ah, heel. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
Go toss it on the tree.
Good girl. Here. Here. It ain't over till it's over. Ruby, kennel. Here. Kennel. Kennel. Kennel.
Got a green.
There's 5 more coming.
Ah, dead bird. Only 6, right? Sorry, bro. You caught me on the bird. Good girl.
They landed, eh?
Oh, yeah.
So wait a second, this is on board.
Good girl here. Good girl. Good. Got it. Not scared. They came down. I'm like, fuck that. On my phone. fucking hit it with the choke. Try greenhead dive on our trigger. Send Rubes, man. Give her a treat.
Channel. Channel. Go! Hey!
One left.
Bet you they would have come around again. They wanted in here.
Yeah. Can't be too greasy sometimes. If one falls, man, it's better than none. That's a greener too. Fuck, I'm smashing today, man. Holy fuck, man.
Fucking Sue's there. I hit her, right? You see?
Oh, yeah.
Pattern was perfectly around her. She's dead out there. She went back down. Here! Here! Over here. Good. Here. Squeeze the poop out of it. Come on. Ruby. Here! Hey! Here! Channel.
One more.
Good girl. Leave
One
it.
more or three more mallards.
No, they were nice fun.
Here, bro. Back on the Christmas tree.
Come on, Ruby. Here!
Fuck, man. Look at this. This is fucking hideous. Holy shit.
Ruby's out.
I smoked it. Susie, that's the limit.
Yeah, that's the limit.
The Susie Slayer, baby.
The game? I started calling?
Came over the tree. It's like they were right here.
Yeah.
Fuck, do we wait for two more mallards or what?
Give it a little bit.
This thing came in like that. It's going right here.
You're too fast. Ruby, here. Channel.
Oh no. Well,
Channel.
would you rather hunt with a guy that can't shoot or a guy that can shoot?
Let go. Oh, I thought you were shooting me. Come on. Good girl.
Good girl, Ruby. Coming. Ready, son? Coming. There you go. That's dead.
Ruby.
Fuck, that's just late now. We need one more mallard. Kind of was.
Nice. This is her still.
Call.
We're fucking 5 hours into the hunt and she's still fucking going crazy.
Hey, keep calling. They're coming.
Well, I heard another one calling behind us.
Holy fuck, man. This is sick, dude. Holy fuck. Let's fucking
Good girl. Here.
Let's fucking go.
Come on. All the way here. Hold.
I'm
Hold.
happy because, fuck, man. That was
Here.
all you. I saw that
Kennel.
bird come.
Kennel. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Hey.
I saw that fucking bird come all the way
Oh,
down.
yeah.
I'm like, Scotty, get ready, man.
Look
I'm like, this thing's coming.